Hello Aries, Merry Christmas. I hope that this Christmas brings a lot of happiness, a lot of health and wealth for you and your family. So today we are going to read about your partner's feeling. We will try to find out what your partner feels like right now about you, and later after the reading we will also pull out some message card from them and see what is actually going on in their mind. So let's check what are the messages from your partner. Messages for Aries. Okay, the Star. Knight. Five of Spheres. The Pope. Two of Star. Okay. Four of Spheres in reverse. The Burning Tower. And the Alchemist. Okay. The first card that we have here is of the Star. It seems like your partner feels that you have shown them a new direction. You give them hope, you give them courage, and probably they respect you and they think that you are a wise person. You know how to leave the situation, and not only you are their lover or you were their lover in case you are not in contact or there is a breakup already. This person feels like that you are the one who has taught them a lot. This person sees you as an inspiration. This person is impressed by the way you deal with your situation. This person thinks that you can teach them a lot, and this person thinks that you deserve much more than what you have. With the card of the Knight, Aries, Knight of Swords, although they feel like you're often in haste, you just want things to happen so quickly that you don't even get time to figure things out. Okay, if you are dealing with a person and you feel that they are very slow going, or they do not act quickly, or they are not as fast as you are, so with the card of the Knight, they are feeling that you are too fast. They hope that you can understand that it takes time to figure things out, and probably they feel like that sometimes you put them in a situation where they don't know how to do the things. Because with the Five of Wands, you are adventurous, you want things to go forward in a direction where you can find some excitement. You want new excitement every day, and they too want that. Obviously they love being in a relationship with you. They love all the energy that you have. They cannot find anyone else like that. They cannot find anyone as appealing as you are. But with this Five of Wands, sometimes they feel like you put them in a strange situation, because sometimes you might be acting like a child for them. However, they love your innocence, but sometimes for them it becomes hard because there are other things they have to deal with at some point. With the card of the Pope, it feels like that they know you are loyal to them as far as they are. Okay, they know that you have this behavior: what you give me, I will give it to you. In fact, when it comes to love and affection, they get more. They feel like they have found something precious, and they get much more in return than what they give. Because somehow, with two of star, there is a good balance in your relationship. You might be a little bit immature, or you might be someone who is less in age with this person, but not necessary, of course, because this is a general reading, so this might not resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. If you are looking for the yearly reading of 2021 or the story of your ex, I have provided the link below in the description box. You can find it there. So with this two of balance, they feel like there is a balance in this relationship. They might be someone serious. They might be someone who thinks before going forth. This person might be very time-taking. With this balance, you could be dealing with a Libra, but it is not necessary, of course. Here with this Six of Sphere, they love the way you behave. Okay, they love your childishness, because it is what they lack. They have seriousness, they deal with work situation, they don't get time, they are a hard-working person, but with the Four of Sphere in reverse, they get what they want from you. They might give you some gifts, they might be ready to offer you something, they might be ready to pamper you this week, because with the card of the Burning Tower, it feels like that you feel that your person is not doing enough for you. You see this tower on fire, and of course Aries, you are a fire sign. So with the card of the Burning Tower, the situation is really inflammable, and this person knows how to deal with this situation, because here we have the card of the Alchemist. This person is sitting here, they are reading about everything. In case you are not in communication, this person is trying hard to make this relationship work. They are looking at the past. They know that they need you, because without you, there is no excitement in their life. Okay, their life means anything because of you. Otherwise, it would be kind of a boring routine for them, and you bring that excitement and energy in their life, Aries. Let's check out some messages from them for you. Messages from your partner, Aries. Okay, you know me better than anyone else. Okay, the very first thing that they want to tell you is you know them better than anyone else. Okay, so here this person wants to clarify that they cannot do without you, because in the end it is who understands them, it is you who inspires them, it is you who gives them every kind of satisfaction in the life. They will feel empty, and they often discuss everything with you, and even if they're not discussing right now, they are feeling that they don't have anyone else to discuss something with but you, because you understand things better, no one else can. Let's check two more messages. Messages for Aries from their partner. You make me complete. Okay, so here they want to tell you that you make them complete. They have one side of the personality and you have the other, so you people just complete each other. You people make sure that you enjoy both the things. On the one hand, this person takes all the responsibility. They are ready to go ahead, they get into details, they make sure that things are going fine, and on the other hand, you make sure that the relationship is exciting. You try everything that is exciting and different things daily. So let's check one more message, what they want to tell you. Okay, we have two messages actually, Aries, for you. They want to send you an extra message. Okay, You give me enough space. Now they feel like sometimes you might be nagging, sometimes you might be telling them, oh, come back, or sometimes you're asking for more. But whenever it's about work or something serious, you understand and you give them their space. You are not someone who keeps on complaining, and you understand things and you let them have their own space. You make me smile. Okay, as I was telling you that this person is a kind of serious person. They might not be in fun activities or exciting activities, but definitely you do that for them. You do things that make them smile, that makes them happy. So this was the reading, Aries, and this was the current feeling of your partners. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.